Hi everyone, today we are going to do our lesson 3, which is components in Java. There are 3 components in Java: JVM, JRE and JDK. JVM is Java Virtual Machine, which allows Java programs to run on any operating system, and it also manages the program memory. JRE is Java Runtime Environment, which is a system that takes your Java code, combines it with necessary libraries, and then starts the Java virtual machine to execute it. The JRE also contains libraries and softwares that your Java program needs to run. JDK is Java Development Kit, which allows developers to create Java programs that can be executed and run by the JVM and JRE. Now, why they are necessary? Because in the next chapter, when we start and install the Java, we will see that I'll use the term JRE and JDK, and whenever we run the Java program, I might say when JVM was running it found this problem, so you should know that what is JVM. Thank you and see you next time.